Project management is an essential tool for any successful business. It involves the use of structured processes and procedures to ensure that tasks are completed in an efficient, organized and timely manner. Project management can be applied to a variety of projects, from small maintenance projects to large-scale construction projects. The components of project management include planning, organizing, staffing and controlling various activities that need to be completed in order to achieve the desired result. A successful project manager will have the skills and knowledge necessary for effective decision-making and problem-solving. They must be able to analyze the requirements of a project, develop a plan for its completion and then implement it. The manager must also monitor progress throughout the entire project lifecycle in order to ensure that objectives are met on time and within budget. The first step in any project management plan is to define the scope of the project. This includes outlining what needs to be done, what resources are required and how long it will take to complete it. Once these parameters have been established, a timeline can be created using Gantt chart or similar tools that show all tasks related to the project along with their respective deadlines. This timeline should be shared with all members associated with the project so that everyone is aware of expectations. The next step is scheduling tasks based on dependencies between them, such as task A needs to finish before task B can begin. This requires careful consideration since delays or unexpected issues can easily cause unforeseen costs or delays further down the line. By properly estimating resources needed for each task and sequencing them correctly, teams will be able to better coordinate their efforts for optimal results. Once tasks have been scheduled, appropriate team members should be assigned responsibility for their completion in order for them to remain focused on their individual objectives as well as helping support each other when needed. It's important that communication between all members is well maintained throughout the entire process, as well as providing clear instruction so everyone knows exactly what is expected from them at each stage of development/execution. Finally, risk assessment should also take place prior to commencing any work on a project in order to identify potential issues early on before they become major problems down the line, which could have been avoided had they been discovered earlier on during planning stages of development/execution phases prior implementation/completion stages. Once all necessary steps have been taken during pre-planning phases, it's time to begin moving forward with implementation stages, which involve performing actual work-related activity while tracking progress regularly in order to detect errors made by team members immediately or adjust existing plans if necessary. By properly tracking progress against established goals, project managers will stay up to date regarding how much work has already been completed and how much still needs to be finished in order for the entire project to be finished on time and within budget. Estimations set down at pre-planning phases of development or execution stages prior implementation/completion stages. Finally, once all activities included within scope of work are finished and reviewed by team members and project manager, the entire project can be declared as completed on time and within budget. Requirements set down at pre-planning phases of development or execution stages prior implementation/completion stages. Project management jobs can be a great career option for individuals looking to work in a fast-paced, creative and rewarding field. As the demand for project managers continues to increase, so too do the opportunities for those seeking to specialize in this area. Project managers are responsible for overseeing every aspect of a project from beginning to end and ensuring that all tasks are completed on time and within budget. Project management jobs require individuals who are organized, have excellent problem-solving skills and have an eye for detail. They must be able to manage multiple projects at once and ensure that each is progressing according to plan. It is also essential that they have strong communication skills in order to effectively lead teams of professionals and ensure that every team member understands their role in the project. The first step towards becoming a project manager is obtaining a relevant degree or professional certification. Depending on your chosen field, there may be specific qualifications required before you can apply for positions. After completing your education, it is recommended that you gain experience through internships or volunteer opportunities, which will give you a better understanding of how projects are managed and what skills are needed in order to be successful. Once you have acquired some experience, look out for job postings or contact companies directly in order to find employment opportunities as a project manager. When applying for any job, it is essential that you showcase your expertise through an up-to-date resume as well as references from previous employers or colleagues who can attest to your abilities as a project manager. During interviews, it is important to demonstrate your interest in the position by researching the company beforehand as well as asking relevant questions about their expectations of you if hired. During the interview process, it is likely that prospective employers will also ask for evidence of successful completion of previous projects, which could include screenshots of software applications created or reports showing progress made on past assignments. Once hired, there are several key steps which must be taken when planning projects, which include defining objectives and goals, designing a plan according to timeline and budget constraints, and assigning tasks accordingly amongst team members while monitoring progress throughout each phase of the project life cycle. It is also important that project managers remain up to date with any new technologies used by the company so they can provide effective advice when needed by their teams or clients alike. Project management jobs can be both challenging yet rewarding, making them an attractive career choice for many individuals looking for stability whilst gaining valuable experience along the way. With dedication and hard work, anyone has the potential to succeed in this field, so why not consider pursuing this profession today? Project management is one of the most important roles in any organization, as it involves managing and overseeing the successful completion of a project. As such, project managers must possess a range of skills and knowledge to be successful in their role. With this in mind, it should come as no surprise that project management salaries are among the highest available in any industry. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, the median salary for project managers is $90,360 per year. This figure can vary greatly depending on experience level and expertise, with those with more experience and specialized knowledge able to command higher salaries. For example, an individual with a PMP certification or advanced degree can expect to earn significantly more than an individual without these credentials. In addition to base salary, project managers may also receive bonuses or other incentives for successful completion of projects within budget or ahead of schedule. Furthermore, many employers offer performance-based bonuses for achieving certain goals or milestones within a given project. These performance-based payouts can significantly increase a project manager's overall salary. The job outlook for project managers is very strong, with a projected growth rate of 8% over the next decade according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. This means that more organizations will be looking for experienced professionals who have the skills and knowledge necessary to successfully manage projects from start to finish. Furthermore, organizations are increasingly investing in technologies such as cloud-based solutions which require experienced personnel to oversee these implementations, all of which adds to the potential for high salaries in this field. When it comes to career advancement opportunities for project managers, there are several paths one can take depending on their areas of interest and expertise. Some may choose to remain in their current role while advancing up through senior positions within their organization. Others may choose to specialize in certain areas such as risk management or strategy consulting, while still others may opt for senior roles across multiple organizations or industries. In all cases, salary increases over time can be expected as skill level improves and additional responsibility is taken on by individual professionals. Overall, project management is an excellent field with plenty of opportunity for career growth and advancement. However, it does come with its own set of challenges that must be addressed through continued training and experience if one wishes to remain competitive in this ever-evolving landscape. With hard work and dedication, though, it is possible, even likely, to attain high salaries over time that can provide financial security both now and into the future. Project management tools are essential for managing complex tasks and groups of people. By using the right project management tools, businesses can ensure their projects are completed on time and within budget. In this video, we will explore several popular project management tools and explain how to use each one. First, let's look at Trello. Trello is a web-based project management tool that uses cards to organize tasks into lists. Each card contains information such as the task name, due date, comments, and associated files. Cards can be moved between lists to indicate progress or status of a task. Users can also assign tasks to other users with specific due dates, making collaboration easy and effective. Next is Asana. Asana is another popular web-based tool that allows users to manage tasks within projects or across multiple projects with ease. It includes a calendar view that provides users with an overview of the entire project timeline and due dates for individual tasks. In addition, Asana also offers interactive Gantt charts for tracking progress of each task in the project timeline and subtasks for more complex projects. Then there's Basecamp, which is an ideal project management tool for teams who work remotely from one another. On Basecamp, users can create separate projects in order to share files, track progress, and assign tasks to team members who will then receive notifications from the app when a new task has been added or updated. Additionally, Basecamp allows users to leave comments on tasks as well as post questions or issues within the team discussion forum where other team members can provide answers or feedback quickly and easily. Finally, let's take a look at Microsoft Planner, which is part of Microsoft Office 365 suite of products specifically designed for managing projects across teams of all sizes. Planner enables users to create multiple plans with associated checklists, set deadlines, assign tasks to team members and track active as well as completed tasks in real time using its intuitive dashboard interface, which includes visuals such as charts and graphs that help organize data quickly and easily so everyone on the team remains up to date on all activities related to that particular plan throughout its duration. These are just some of the popular project management tools available today, but there are many more out there, so it's important to do your research before deciding which one best fits your needs depending on your budget as well as type of business you are running in order to get most out of it without spending too much money or wasting time trying to figure out how it works once you have purchased it already.